Hello. How are you, officer? What happened? I've not seen you for 3 weeks at work. You lost your wife. Yes, I know. And you buried her 2 weeks ago. You were mourning your wife. So you stayed for 3 weeks because you are mourning your wife. You didn't come to work. How is mourning your wife related to work? Officer, you are paid for what you produce at work. You have not come to work for 3 weeks. You are telling me you are mourning your wife. And I know very well you are mourning your wife. I know you buried your wife 2 weeks ago. So you didn't come to work because you are mourning your wife. You people are serious. You are not very, I don't know what's wrong with people. I really don't know. I don't know. Ciao,